In this video, I will show you how to find lost project in CapCut. So if you want to recover deleted project in CapCut, let me show you step by step how to do it. After you open the CapCut app like this, so you go to this option now and click on this trash button. After you click on the trash button, if you have any project that you deleted in the last 29 days, it will be just appear in this option now. If you want to recover them, just select the project, it will give you recover button. So from there, the project will be back to this site. But if you cannot find the project in this option now, let me show you the second method. So now you close this option. After you close this option, you go to space. After you go to spaces, now you click on your username. So from there, here you'll be able now to see all your project on the CapCut. But there's one thing you need to know. Any project that you see in this option now has been backed up before you deleted them. So if you already back up your project in the CapCut and then you delete the project in the CapCut interface, if you come to this option now, you'll be able to find the project. All you need to do, just click on the project. After you select it, just it to open the project for you. But if you did not like upload the project to your CapCut backup, you cannot find the project. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.